Our goal is to make things more simple, more robust, reliable, and in that sense our need was to to improve our offering to our customers, to have a more energy efficient pump with less complexity to it.
The cool thing is, first of all, that we did this together with Grundfos. We never had this with any of our suppliers, that they come to us and say, let's see how we can make this product better.
The cooperation started with Luc and John, exploring the possibilities. But very quick, all kinds of departments from both sides linked in on this project. And the enthusiasm went beyond that.
We started to talk about innovations in the products and bringing more value to the customers, specific on saving energy and saving water.
The old pressure booster was bigger, so in terms of footprint, it was more expensive, more energy inefficient in this case, and we used to put a lot more of equipment to it in order to have it function as a whole.
One key element in the development of this has been the introduction of the Grundfos Soft PLC. This has been the instigator of unlocking all the potential for the customer.
Now we have a small control box where we only do the power distribution. All the other things we do in the pump itself. So all the smart things are happening in the pump itself.
The information that's now available inside the pump it enhances the customer's capability to gather data more easily than before. It's all combined in one, so it's really easy to get it out now.
Now we can show the pressure, we can show the amount of water it's pumped, the amount of energy consumed, and that's also very interesting for a customer. Other than it's running, how is it running, and so it gives a lot more control. Yeah. What we estimated is that we have about 25% of energy saving, which means we have about 10 tons of CO2 we reduce every year, and it's about 4,200 euros that we will save every year, energy-wise. Yeah.
Sustainability creates a financial impact, which in the long term will create a business case that is valuable for our customers.
The new system enables the customer to gather data like power, flow, pressure, which they can all load into like a centralized system and enable them to make analysis on the actual power usage or water usage or whatever you want to know, and you have real insights on where you can improve or where you're already doing pretty well.
What I see is that we have a lot of more flexibility in using the system. It is easier to get a higher supply when there is a higher demand. It is more controllable, and because of this we can add additional functions which are mainly in the control units and in the collecting the data and using the data to optimize the processes.
It's been a real cool journey together, and that we now have a system that is how we like it, supplied by Grundfos, has been really great.